Your check engine light just came on and you don't have a scanner. Don't panic in this video. I'll show you step by step how you can reset the check engine light completely free without using any special tool or scanner. And I'll also explain when it's safe to reset it and when you should not ignore that light. Welcome back to Weekly Tools. Here we share simple DIY car repairs to save you time and money. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our easy car repair guides. The check engine light means your car's computer has detected a problem. It's a warning to check your vehicle soon. Common causes include a loose gas cap, a bad sensor, or engine issues. Sometimes it's minor, but it can also signal something serious. If the light is steady, it's usually safe to drive briefly. But if it's flashing, stop and get help right away. This means a serious problem. Before you start, wear safety gloves and glasses. Make sure the car is off and the key is out. Open the hood, find the battery, and use a wrench to disconnect the negative cable, marked with a minus sign. Wait 10 minutes. Then reconnect the cable and tighten it. Start the car to check if the light is off. Never let tools touch both battery terminals. If you see corrosion or damage, get help from a professional. The fuse reset method can clear your check engine light without resetting your whole car. A fuse protects your car's electronics from too much current. Find your car's fuse box and look for the ECU or engine fuse. Use a fuse puller or pliers to gently remove it. Wait about 10 minutes, then reinsert the fuse. Securely start your car. If the check engine light stays off, the reset worked. Another easy way to reset the check engine light is by completing a driving cycle. A driving cycle means operating your car under different conditions, like idling, city driving, and highway speeds, so the ECU can run itself tests. Sometimes, the check engine light will turn off by itself after several complete driving cycles. If the problem is resolved, to help the ECU complete its tests, try to drive normally for about 50 to 100 miles, mixing short trips and longer drives. Avoid turning the car off too soon, and make sure the engine reaches normal operating temperature. During your drive, the ECU will retest the system during these cycles, and if everything checks out, it will turn the light off automatically. Important warning: resetting the check engine light only hides the alert. It does not solve the underlying problem. Ignoring the light can lead to serious engine damage, costly repairs, or even leave you stranded on the road. For example, a simple issue, like a loose gas cap, can turn into a failed emissions test, while a faulty sensor can cause poor fuel economy or damage your catalytic converter. Some problems can even affect your safety, like misfiring engines or failing brakes. So never ignore repeated warnings. Always use a diagnostic tool, like an OBD2 scanner, to find out the exact problem code. If you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic to prevent further damage. And there you have it, 3 effective scanner free ways to tackle that persistent check engine light. We walked through the battery disconnect for a hard reset, the more targeted fuse pull method, and finally the driving cycle, which lets your car's system re-evaluate itself after a repair. Each method is a great tool to have in your DIY arsenal. If this guide helped you solve your check engine light issue, do us a huge favor and tap that like button. It helps our videos reach more car owners just like you. And while you're there, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you never miss a new guide. Now, these methods are great for resetting the light, but they don't tell you why it came on. For true diagnostic power, an OBD2 scanner is a game changer. We've left links to some affordable models we recommend in the description. Think of it as a small one-time investment that can save you hundreds in diagnostic fees and give you peace of mind. It puts the power back in your hands. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.